optics beyond matters, light to matters interactions. My work asks a simple but important questions. What if optics is not just a physical interaction between light and matter, but a relational process that contributes to perceptions and intelligence across scales? The problem statement: traditional and conventional optics focuses on light-matter interactions. Uh, as transactional process, light interacts with a surface, producing a measurable output. So, however, in biological systems, this interaction does not end at detections. It becomes part of a continuous process involving memory and adaptations and interpretation. This creates a gap. Current models describes how light interact, but not fully how many emerges from these interactions over times. My contributions in this work, I introduce a relational frameworks for optics. Instead of viewing light and matters interactions as isolated events, I model it as part of a dynamic systems that include temporal continuity, relational structures, and adaptive responses. Temporal continuity, that is memory of interactions over time. The relational structures, that is interactions across components and scales. Adaptive responses, that is systems evolutions over time. This extends classical optics into what can be described as relational biophotonics, where perception is not a single event but an emergent properties of continuous interactions. Biological connection. This is these perspectives align with biological systems such as plant signaling networks, neural perception systems, and distributed sensing in living organisms. In these systems, light is not only detected, it is integrated in networks of interactions that influence behaviors and adaptations. This suggests that perceptions emerge not from isolations signals but from relational dynamics across time and structures. The implications of my framework. So the implication is a shift from optics as measurement to optics as component of living adaptive systems. These open pathways for new models in inspire sensing, adaptive imaging systems, and context-aware optical technologies. So in conclusion, I summarize light does not only reveal the world but through relational interactions, but it participates in the constructions of perceptions across scales and time. Thank you.